Yes, guys, we're on our way. Guys, this is a plantain. This is a plantain tree here. As you can see, planting them small on it. Yeah, them not get that big yet. Them not full yet. So you know it go. Yes, people. Yeah, we are on our journey, on our way to get some grass. If I can't find any grass, people, I'm gonna cut a bit of bread nut. Alright? Yeah. It's a really beautiful morning, people. No joke. It's a really beautiful morning. Yeah, we're gonna take off down another dark spot, you know, people, and go cross. We have a far.
S Beats exclusive.
Just walk and look if I see any. Yes, guys. Me a look. I not see none as yet, but I know the direct spot where them is. So I go definitely go to that spot. Stop that spot so we can get some bread nut. Alright. Beautiful banana trees, people. Beautiful banana trees. And I think these are my brother. My brother plant these, people. Yeah. teaching you something new today, all who don't know. This leaf here is the bread nut. Goat favorites, alright? Yeah. Goat love them pretty much. That's it. But it's a small tree, people. It's a small tree. Nothing much on it. But I'm gonna fall it. Every little make a muckle. And that me I learn from a little. I come up. Every little make a muckle, so. Alright guys, I'm gonna fall the tree now. I'm gonna fall this tree now and just looking somewhere. So I can put the camera. So you can see. There is our bread nut. That's one gone. People, I'm looking to see if I see any more. Yes. Yeah, people, I think I see a next one, which is right here. Okay? Right there. That's it up there. So I'm gonna fall it. Alright? Yes guys, so just stay tuned, alright? I'm gonna find somewhere to put the phone.
This beats exclusive.
So you know it, so you can see what I'm about to do, alright? Yeah, just stay tuned guys. Whoop! I'm sliding. That's the hill and gully, yeah. I'm sliding a lot. So I'm gonna pitch the phone somewhere else guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Not seeing what I'm doing. I need the people to see. Find out a while ago that you wouldn't see me. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Yes guys, that one fall right there, one fall, so I'm gonna move to another one. Okay, just stay tuned with me guys, alright? Yeah, just stay tuned with me because I want to cut down at least 5 more trees, yeah, and then I'll go back over to the goats, alright? We had another hunt now. See if we could find another our trees. This log come like fail for a good while, people. Couple years. This log look like it cut down. If you can see well there, guys, there is a Goldie tree. Okay, that's a Goldie tree right there. Many of you guys know Goldie, right? Yeah, call it. Them use make calabash. Yes, guys. This tree them used to make, not the tree. The Goldie that grows on the tree. They use it to make calabash. Yeah. I'm looking for a next red nut. I don't see none yet. Yes, guys. They are search. They are search to see if I find no more. Another the bush. The goat bread nut. Yeah. There is a forest today, now, people. That one it look like a forest though. Sorry, pardon me. We have to sneeze. Yeah. Alright, guys. There a look. Let's see if no more bread nut, but let's see none as yet. Go walk up on the other side. I love this people. I love nature, you know. Yeah, I love nature so much. I love this, guys. Alright. We're gonna go on the other side now. These are what we find. These are what we find so far, peeps. Yeah, we need more though for the goats. So I'm gonna go up this side, which this way I was going first, and I turn back. Who can tell me what is this tree? There is it. Who can tell me what is this tree? People, this tree them used to make boat. Like water, right? Yeah, this tree. They used to make boat. It's a cotton tree. Okay? You guys, enough of you guys supposed to see this tree already. Yeah.
S Beats exclusive.
Alright, guys. Yes, guys. You see this? Many of you supposed to know what is this. Any of you supposed to know what is that? Guys, this is jackfruit. Jackfruit. Okay? Yeah, we Jamaicans love jackfruit so much. We Jamaican love jackfruits. We knock it to know if it's ripe or not. To the sound of that, you can tell it's green. Okay? And this one now. Same, green. I'm gonna check the other ones. Green. Green. Alright, so all 4 of them is green, people. All 4 of them is green. Yeah, so as I said, this is a jackfruit tree. Okay? Yeah, this is a Jamaican jackfruit. Jamaican fruit. Yeah. Most people in Jamaica love this fruit. Even people from overbroad come, you know. Yeah, some of them having it for the first time, but it's really good. This year it's a mango tree. Yeah, but no mango is on it right now because the crop bear after it from one day. Yeah, everything just fell off, ripe off, and people come and pick and sell and eat, you know. Yeah, that's it in Jamaica. Yes guys, we're gonna turn back now, as I don't think I'm gonna go no further for today. They had it, and next time I will show you guys. Okay, the next time I will show you guys more. Okay, as I know you want to see more. Yeah, up there, I'm gonna go up there the next time and show you a bit more about Jamaican, you know, down to earth, because I'm a down to earth person. You understand? Yeah, I'm a down to earth person. So this is what I like. You know, I love to like vlogs. I like vlog about, you know, Jamaica. I like vlog about trees, fruit trees and stuff, so you guys can know about it, you know about it, or if you never eat it before, when you come to Jamaica, you can know, you're gonna get that to taste. Okay? Yeah. Guys, right now I think I'm gonna head back to that way though, guys. I don't find any more bread nuts, guys. It's like they're not too much, you know. Yeah, they're not too much. They don't grow much like you can say wild bush grow, because it isn't wild. All right. Yeah. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right. We're gonna head back right now, guys. On our way back, I see a small bread nut. Okay, pretty small, but I'm gonna cut him down. I even see another small one. Maybe I was not looking properly. Yeah. All right, guys. make a muckle, guys. Yeah, this is all we find. Isn't much, but I'm gonna put it with the ones out there. Okay? Yes, my people. Stay tuned. Road block off here, so I need to cut them. Can walk properly. Yes, guys. Yeah. So this is what we get. So we're gonna move out back now. Hop. Gonna move up back now. All right. Yeah. So hope you guys take care. And hope you guys, all you guys, doing well. Okay. Yeah. Jamaica land we love. It's a beautiful morning. Wow. Yes, my people. We're on our way back. On our way back up now. So this is where my brother have to come morning time to cut bread nut. Alright people? Yeah. So guys, you see how me a sweat? You see how me wet? Yeah man. So the bush stay man, no joke. So the bush stay. When you're in Jamaica doing farming, and you know, you just have to do what you have to do. Because I don't like you have the money where you can call somebody and pay them to go deal with it. You understand? Yeah, we don't have the money to do that. So my brother this morning, he have to go away too early so he can get to come and you know cut some bush or bread nut for the goats. So him call me on the phone and beg me to cut some for him for the goat. Them understand? Yes, so I can't make them stay there and hungry. So I have to do it. You understand? Yeah. Because I see him way him do things to me too. So I have to do back the favor as well. Alright people, so we're on our way. We're on our way going back. Sorry about we. Me on my way going up back. Alright? Yes people. So what's going on there? Yeah. We're there. There my people. This is what my brother have to go through every morning. And the rocks. There people, the rocks. Have to be walking on the rocks, you know. Yeah, so And make sure so your foot them firm. As you will fail. You will even break your foot. Yeah.
This beats exclusive.
Yes, people, we're close to reach home. Reach up back to the goat pen, alright? Yeah. See, I look if none of them are dropping up, people. I look if none of them are dropping.